Welcome to my channel!
Kyocera Printer Wi-Fi Setup Easy Connection Guide 2026. Turn on the Kyocera printer. Make sure the printer has power, paper loaded, and toner installed properly. Open the printer menu. Press the Menu/Settings button on the Kyocera control panel to open the main menu. Go to Network/System Settings. Scroll down and select Network Settings or System Settings depending on your model. Go to Network/System Settings. Scroll down and select Network Settings or System Settings depending on your model. Select your Wi-Fi network SSID. Your Kyocera printer will search available networks. Tap on your Wi-Fi name SSID from the list. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Type your Wi-Fi password carefully. Press OK/connect to proceed. Wait for connection confirmation. Your printer will display connected, success, or show a Wi-Fi signal icon. Download and install Kyocera printer driver. Search online for Kyocera printer driver download, official site. Download the correct driver for your model, install it on your laptop/PC. Add printer to laptop, Windows/Mac. Windows, Settings Bluetooth and devices printers and scanners add a printer. Mac, System Settings printers add printer. The Kyocera printer will show automatically. Connect mobile, Android/iPhone. Download Kyocera mobile print app from Play Store/App Store. Open the app, select the printer, start printing.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, add, subscribe.